Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. The topic on which I am going to discuss is sound intensity. Sound intensity. Intensity of sound is defined as the energy carried by sound waves per unit time per unit area placed perpendicular to direction of propagation of waves. Intensity of sound is defined as the energy carried by sound waves per unit time per unit area placed perpendicular to direction of propagation of waves. यानी इस एरिया से जितनी एनर्जी साउंड एनर्जी जितनी टाइम में पास करती है, इस यूनिट एरिया से जितनी साउंड एनर्जी जितने टाइम में पास करती है, इसको कहते हैं इंटेंसिटी ऑफ साउंड। इंटेंसिटी ऑफ साउंड मैथमेटिकली intensity of sound is equal to energy per unit area per unit time, and this energy per unit time is called power. So intensity is equal to power per unit area. So intensity of sound can also be defined as the power per unit area. The SI unit of intensity is watt per meter square. Watt per meter square, because the unit of power is watt and the unit of area is watt meter square. So the SI unit of intensity of sound is watt per meter square. Generally sound intensity is measured in decibel, and 1 decibel is equal to 10 power minus 1 bill. 10 power minus 1 10 power minus 1 bill. 10 power minus 1 bill.